Does your recipe call for pumpkin puree? Are you still going to the store buying canned pumpkin puree? Stop that right now. I'm going to show you a quick way to make homemade pumpkin puree. Coming up next.
Let go. Yeah, yeah. You gotta hear from me that turtle tasty treats. Yeah.
Don't bump me no more.
Wait, we got to tell them what we're doing.
Go ahead, tell them what we doing.
Hi, I'm Diet, and welcome to Turtle's Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. And this ready to go fella is
Jimbo the Baker.
And today we're going to show you how easy it is to make pumpkin puree out of an amazing pumpkin. So this pumpkin, wait, before you cut it, let me tell you something. Okay, so first things first is that pumpkin puree is definitely used in many fall recipes. Pumpkin pie, pumpkin roll, pumpkin pancakes, pumpkin just whatever.
Latte.
Pumpkin latte?
Okay, go ahead, continue.
Maybe. But in order to make all of these wonderful pumpkin dishes, you need pumpkin puree. Now, you can go to the store and buy it out of the can.
No.
Nah. So we're going to use a pumpkin. Now, the small pumpkins are called sugar pumpkins or pumpkin pie pumpkins. They're sweeter. Those big pumpkins that you use for carving, like a jack-o'-lantern, they're not really sweet.
Oh.
So the smaller the pumpkin, the sweeter the taste.
Oh.
All right, so what we're going to do, very simple, is you're going to need the pumpkin, a knife, a spoon. Jimbo is going to go ahead and cut the top off of it, and then he's going to cut it in half. And then we're going to scoop out the insides. We're going to roast it for 1 hour on 350 degrees. Not an hour, Jim. That would be too long. 45 minutes. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and let Jimbo get started. Cut. Now, definitely make sure you have a nice, sharp knife. And, or be nice and strong like Jim and just break it off.
Half this way?
Half, yeah. Cut it in half. And be careful, Jim. I don't want you to cut your finger, especially in front of our friend.
Goodness. It's not as easy as it looks on TV.
All right. Yay! I hear it. You got all the way down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we
I
are.
got those too.
Yeah. Here we go.
Okay. All right. So inside, you will see the pumpkin's flesh and pumpkin seeds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop it out into the bowl. Oh, can I do one half and you do the other?
Yeah. Grab this one.
So all of this pumpkin flesh, we're going to go ahead and put in the bowl. We're actually going to keep it because these pumpkin seeds, you can actually roast those. Like, we don't waste any part of the pumpkin around here during the fall season. So all of those pumpkin seeds, we are going to roast that. Check out the video that we post later on. So see all of the little membrane stuff? All right. Get in there, Jim.
Oh, the little membranes. Oh, yeah. That's fun to say.
That's fun to say.
Membranes.
Membranes. Insane in the membrane.
Insane in the brains. All right.
All right.
I'm going to just grab those off or get that off there. Little cobwebbies. Ooh. Getting in the spirit.
Oops.
Ew.
Oh.
Ew.
Oh.
This is gross.
Oh gosh.
Man up, Jimmy.
It's okay. It's all for you.
So we keep this?
Yes. All right.
All right. Mine is cleaner than hers, as you can see. But it's no competition or anything. So.
Whatever. All right. So we're going to take these and we're going to put them face down onto our baking tray. And while I wash my hands, Jim's going to pop these into the oven for 45 minutes.
And then
See
I'll
how
wash
that
my
pops?
hands. Yeah, I heard
And
that
then you
part.
wash your hands.
That's pretty.
Pretty floppy.
Yes. Yeah.
All right, so our pumpkin has roasted for 45 minutes. It's nice and toasty-ostis.
Toastioskis.
What he said. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to remove the skin, and we'll be able to do it with a fork. Let's get in there, Jim.
Mm.
You smell the pumpkin?
It smells right. Right and tight, huh?
Jim's a handsy guy. He just got in there with his hands.
There we go.
But you can see that like the skin just easily comes off.
They're pretty good.
I
Then.
meet you.
All right. Beautiful.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to scoot this over, and with a food processor, what we're going to do is just put it in the food processor. So scoot it over, Jim.
Slide down.
Slide some food processor to me. It's the list. Comment down below if you've seen the list. And if you have, tell us what your favorite scene is. All right.
Wonderful.
I mean, as you can see, it's like almost like
Potato. Mashed potatoes.
we do the mashed potatoes, and then we do the twist. Tell me, baby, do you like it like this? Tell me. Oh, we do the sweet potato. Oh, this is not sweet potato. But sweet potatoes is yummy. We have to show them how we make our sweet potato pie.
Show them all how we make everything.
Not everything.
Oh.
All right. Okay.
All right.
That's good.
Back to business.
Back to business. All right. That's good.
Was good enough?
Yeah, let's put the top on. All right, you ready to pulse it up?
Here.
Sure. We're good.
What are we looking for? Like a baby food consistency here?
No. Fresh baby food is just yummy, yum, yum. All right. Look at that.
Puree.
Puree. Without it being from a can.
Yep, fresh puree.
Fresh puree. So, if you enjoyed this video and would love to be able to see more of Jimbo the Breaker and me, Diet, please make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.